Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 15th day of January 2026. And welcome. We're going to go ahead and look for our favorite signal, which is our strong candle indicator right at the top here. It's a little triangle in this red candle saying take this candle short. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We closed below the 50 of the day for the first time. And this is a very, very strong candle. We have a lot of volume today, so PVI expect the next candle to be around 100 ticks long. So we're going to put our cover order on. We're going to match our ATM to the PVI. So we're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100s. And we put a cover order on. If we get our cover order hit without a retrace, we'll go ahead and use the current candle for our stop. So we can get into this trade with very little risk if we get hit on the cover order without a retrace. And this is how it all went down in the live training room today. So we'll just take it at regular speed until we get picked up, make sure all our contracts are set, and then we'll speed it up to see what the result was. Now, if this retraces, I can move my entry from the end of the candle to the body of the candle, but I haven't gotten a retrace yet, and I haven't gotten picked up yet. So I'm waiting for one or the other to happen. Okay, once we get picked up, it'll be good. Boom. All right, we're picked up. Our stop is pretty much where it needs to be. We can bring it down about 10 ticks to about here. And it gives us very little risk on this potentially very large trade. Let's go ahead and speed it up a little bit now and see how it all winds up. Notice what happens when our first target gets hit. We'll de-risk the trade, but it's already de-risked pretty much. All right, so 20s are out. We bring it down to minus 18, which means if we come back and take us out now, well, too late now. So 20s are out, 50s are out, and we have our 100 tick target down here. And it just, I believe it just runs right through, if I'm not mistaken. And we'll just let it run. Do 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 do. And it's done. Very good. Excellent. Wonderful. That particular trade took a little over 4 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the only places you're going to find our strong candle indicator, and it is absolutely amazing. So we'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.